Right, welcome back. Good to see you again. This is my venerable old Eclipse Scriber. I've been using this for years, and it's a really simple project. Let's make a couple of replacements or additional ones. Anyway, let me explain. There we have it. This is my Eclipse number 222, I think, Scribe. I've had this for about, I think I was using this in the 1700s, so it's a few years old. Made in England, would you believe? One of the few things that is made in England, or was, I should say, probably was. Right, now I thought I got another simple project to do, so yeah, let's just make another Scribe. So get rid of that. What people on YouTube seem to do is take themselves a nice little piece of brass, drill a hole in the end and fit one of these, a darning needle. Now the thing is, you have to drill a hole in the end, fit a darning needle and then super glue it in or thread lock it in, and then when it goes blunt you get the blowtorch out, heat the end up, pull it out with a pair of pliers, put a new one in with another bit of super glue or whatever. And I thought, I probably will make one just for fun, but I was thinking about it and I thought, what about one of these? This is a set of sewing machine needles. They are just as viciously sharp as these, however they have a thickened end, and on the thickened end is a flat spot, so you can fit a screw, and it just basically make them very easy to replace. You just undo the screw and pop another one in. So I've found some screws. I've got a selection here. These are M2. They're the smallest I have that are sort of suitable. I've got some 10BA. In fact, somewhere I've got some 12BA, which are just like hairs. Anyway, so with that in mind, I've got myself a nice piece of stainlessy looking steel. It's not stainless, but it looks it. So what I'm going to do is cut a section off. We'll make one brass and one stainless, and we'll make the brass one with the darning needles in, and this stainless looking one with the sewing machine needle in. So I'll hack these off at the right length, and then we'll turn them in the lathe. Just put a couple of decorative bits in one or two places, and then drill a hole in both ends and fit these. Piece of cake. Damn it, damn it, damn it twice. I got the drill out, the end of the drill out by slightly mullering the end of one of my new scribe points. But look at this drill. It's made out of cheese, I think. Take two. There we go. Okay, I'm using, I don't know if you can see that, my sensitive drilling chuck to drill this. Being M2, to say it's fragile is an underestimation. So here they are. They came out okay. Not too bad, not too shabby, not too great, good enough. So all that remains is to give them a go. So here's a piece of scrap alley that I've blued up. So let's leave a couple of marks and see what we get. Right, first up is the darning needle. Whoops, that's pretty good. And next up is the knitting machine needle. See if I can hold the ruler straight this time. Which I didn't. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Let's spin that around so you can see. The machine needle is definitely finer than the darning needle, but you know, to be truthful, the darning needle I bent a little bit, so I've sharpened it, so it might not be quite as sharp as it should. Yeah, they come out okay. Are they going to work on a piece of mill scale steel? I doubt it, but we can have a look. Ooh, that's really fine. And this one, that's just, yeah. Truth be told, I think I'm best off with my old-fashioned, trusty, venerable old Eclipse Scribe, because it's just so much tougher for this sort of material. But when it comes to marking out a finished surface, either of these are cracking. Which do I prefer? I think I prefer the darning needle version, but it's a bit of a pain to change the end, whereas this one is actually a piece of cake. You just unscrew it. Having said that, I think I can probably get a lot thicker machine needles. So I'll have a look. If I find any, I'll let you know. But yeah, that's cracking. Right, I hope you enjoyed that, making these two. That's probably the simplest project you can do on a lathe, and it's quite worthwhile too, to be perfectly honest. I've been using my venerable old Scriber for years, and these, yeah, they're going to be fine for... In fact, they're really fine for the sort of work that we're likely to do. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do hit the bell and subscribe banner and spread the word. And take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-da! Oh, stay safe. The infection rate in the UK is out of control.